There it is. Oh, he hit it. Well, it still amazes me to this day how to treble hook. How can you just miss it? It baffles me every time. Let's see if he will come back after it. Right there. Oh, right when I looked away too. But it came back after it. Stay up over the weeds. Looks like a good one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Nice 2-pounder probably. Maybe pushing 3. Don't let the weeds deter you. 2.5, maybe 3 pounds. I would weigh her, but I kind of already know she's about 2.5, 3 pounds. We'll let her go. She's pretty though. Get all these weeds out of her mouth. She wanted it. And there she goes.